Yes.
Everything is up in the markets this morning.
Yeah, don't get too excited.
Okay, you know I get excited when I see green on that screen.
Yeah, well, they'll be read eventually. We had a couple of 3 ETF applications in the past few days. Obviously, BlackRock with Coinbase as the custodian. That's bold. Invesco, WisdomTree, they've done this before. It's not like the SEC says, "Oh yeah, sure. Oh, we'll change our mind now." And we'll see. I mean, obviously, these are heavy hitters. BlackRock being the most interesting, iShares being the most interesting, because you can't really ignore them. They're not kind of like a joke of a provider, ETF provider. They're the biggest one. So, be interesting. When we see what the SEC says to BlackRock, then we'll know for sure where the SEC stands, because God knows that the 50 billion times they've said no to everything involving crypto hasn't gotten through yet to the crypto markets. So.
I think that's exactly it. And, like we just saw on the chart, Bitcoin topped 29K this morning. Are you surprised to see such a market reaction? We have ETFs in other parts of the world, like in Canada. Are you surprised to see this reaction?
There's Canada. That's a fake country. That does not exist. That's just some woods we forgot to take. Yeah, I don't know if they'll necessarily make it all that exciting. Look, yeah, I guess if you want to put them in retirement plans, sure. Bring in some people, but it'll be interesting to see whether or not it does have the kind of effect that the crypto market's hoping. Look, people are playing the short-term news. That's what they're going to do. And any grasp of a positive headline they'll take right now, and that's just the way it is. It's a gamble in the future. Look, if you truly believe in Bitcoin, 29,000 is a fraction of where you think it's going to go, right? It's if you really believe in what the Bitcoin maxis are saying, 29,000 is just the start of when it goes to $52 billion or something, whatever it is that Tom Lee is saying it's going to go to. So, it's just still early for the maxis, if you ask them. So it's a call option, if you will.